The idea of being part of this profession as a doctor has largely driven by my ethics and values, which is developed by my parents and my parents' support also.
Before, I just wanted to be a doctor. But this pandemic era or COVID 19 encouraged me more why I should or I must be a part of this profession. Hello, my name is Shafali. I am from Najafgarh, New Delhi. Currently, I enrolled in Perm State Medical University, Russia.
Hello everyone, my name is Tamil Selvan from Tamil Nadu, India.
Hello, myself Aditi Singh. I am from Chapra State, Bihar. I am first year student of MBBS, studying in Palm State Medical University, Perm, Russia.
Myself Pooja Kamlapuri from Gadwa, Jharkhand. I got enrolled in Palm State Medical University.
Hi, myself Priyanka Pegu and I am from Assam, India. I have chosen Perm State Medical University under the guidance of Rus Education.
Hello, I am Saurabh Sharma from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have recently enrolled in Perm State Medical University of Russia.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Sumait Qureshi. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I enrolled myself in Perm State Medical University under the guidance of Rush Education.
Myself Sanskar Singh, I am from Uttar Pradesh. I got enrolled in Perm State Medical University.
Due to COVID-19 situation, it was very difficult for me to decide the next few steps after the NEET examination. I was determined to take my medical studies to abroad but was not sure for which country I should go.
First of all, why did I choose Russia? If you have an idea to explore, I would recommend you to join foreign universities where you will get exposed to new culture, habitat of the country.
I choose Russia for my medical studies because they serve the best education and of course they are more affordable structure.
And I choose Russia as for a broad study because of its developed skills and technology. And the most important point is that every parent wants its child to be safe where he is. So Russia is a very good country for a female candidate safety, having strict rules and regulations.
I decided Russia as my destination study for medical studies as it is a safest country and of course a beautiful country.
As for reason why I have chosen Perm is because Perm with more than 100 years of experience, I know it has whatever it takes to produce a vigilant, analytical and a trustworthy wise doctor to face against the world.
I chose this university because it had a very good infrastructure, a well-knowledge professor, and most importantly, it is taught in English.
Basically, we are going through the online classes right now, and I hope so that flight will resume soon and we will go for the offline classes too. During online classes, the teachers are very helpful, very kind, and basically they give us the assignment practice and we have to solve it, and there is a deadline for 1 to 2 days. The teachers are really very good and very kind to us.
As our classes has started already online, our teachers are very polite and kind to us.
I am attending my online classes which are held from Russia. Teachers are so good and teaches us the best from their way.
Now my online classes have been started. It is not too much interactive like offline classes, but I'm enjoying it a lot. Getting every day a new thing, learning new knowledge. My teachers, my professors are very kind, helpful, having abundant knowledge. For that I'm obliged.
I hope that it is good for me that before going to Russia, I got to know about my classmates and my teachers, and it will be easy for me to cope up in Russia.
Now online classes have been started for us, and I am eagerly waiting for the flights to take off.
I researched the internet and got to know about Rus education.
Because life is very short. So I decided to study my MBBS from Russia, and for this I choose Rus Education.
The best thing which I liked about the Rus education is that they explained everything in detail. They cleared all my cross questions and queries.
Having said that, it has only been possible through Rus Education that I took an admission in the Perm State Medical University as a student of this year, for which me and my entire family are very much thankful to them.
Rus Education not only consulted me but also helped me to choose the best college in Russia.
The one thing I will say that Rus Education is really very trustworthy. If you want to grab your ambition, please trust Rus Education only.
I would highly recommend Rus Education to my friends and the students who are wants to pursue medicine and are still on their way to take the decision of choosing the right destination for medical studies. Thank you.
I would definitely recommend Rus Education to my friends or relatives or any other person who wants to do MBBS from Russia.
Don't get disheartened because you have chosen your dream, you have thought for that, and you have hard work for that. So move ahead, stick toward a one path, and just stay focused and be motivated.
Please don't think that MBBS abroad is not good. It is the best you can do. So please consult with Rus Education and grab your ambition. Thank you.
Remember or try to approach Rus Education, because this is what I will highly recommend you, because it has helped me out in chasing my dreams. So it will obviously, I believe it will obviously help you out in chasing your dreams too. And as all of us know, the policy difference between Russian government colleges and Indian private colleges. So be wise with your decision, choose wise. Good luck. Thank you. Stay safe and happy.